this chord. This tutorial is going to be about the later end of what I just played, which is like this. So it's just like playing 1. It's just like 1, 4, 2, 5. Then flat 5, which is still our 2. Then 5, 6, 7 to your 1. Okay. Now this is as well going to be a way to improve how we use some of our chords, because this basically touches all the chord on the keyboard, the 7 chord that is on the key. All right. And please, if you're new on the channel, please, I would like to plead with us to help me subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification icon, so each time I drop a video, you'll be able to see it. All right. Thank you. God bless you. And like the video, please. When you like the video, it makes people to see our video easily. Please, if you are watching this video, please give it a thumb up. Please. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Now I'm going to be teaching this on the key of F sharp. Okay. And F sharp has a major scale: F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, E, C sharp, D sharp, F, and back to F sharp. So it's supposed to be you are one. I'm just using the normal song. I'm going to be singing the ending of the song, or maybe let me just sing the full song, then apply the stuff. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy. All right. So this ending. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. It's what I'm going to be teaching, okay? But I'm going to be using a more rich chord, okay? So for the 1, we're going to be using a substitute for the 1, which is going to be a tritone. This is for the 1 now. So you can use this, especially when you are going to your 4. You can use this as a 1. You see now? You can use this as a 1 to your 4. So, like I said, this tutorial is going to be helping us to sound better rich, okay? So make sure you stay true with this tutorial, right? God has brought this to us, so let's learn it. Make sure you stay true with this tutorial, and make sure you are jotting something down. I always tell my students, the people I have with, I have virtual classes with and physical classes with, I always tell them, one of the things that you don't come to my class without is pen and paper, because it's very important, all right? So, you are for the 1, especially when you're going to the 4, you use this 1. Play an E tritone, which is E and A sharp. E and A sharp. Then on the right, we play F sharp major chord, that is do, mi. And that is C sharp, G sharp, A sharp. So on the left, what we are playing on suffix means to is to and mi. So that's the first chord. Then for our fa, which is our 4, we're going to be playing a B at 9th, okay? This is a B, this is a B, and this is a 9th. So on the right, on the left, we're going to be playing D sharp F, B, sorry, D sharp B. On the right, we're going to be playing C sharp F sharp B. Then that is La Fa on the left. On the right, we're going to be singing Fa. Then the next chord is going to be a B minor 6th, okay? B minor 6th. This is a B, this is a minor, and this is a 6. So this is a B minor 6th. On the left, we are playing D and B. On the right, we are playing D, F sharp, G sharp, B. That is C, Fa on the left. On the right, we are playing C, Do, Re, Fa, then 4. Now we're going to be playing your 1 over your 5. That is your play your do chord over your song. So we have C sharp octave on the left, C sharp octave. On the right we have G sharp. I'm sorry, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp. So let me play to this point. So you are wonderful. So that's where we've gotten to. So you are worthy. So this is what we're going to play for the 5. G sharp. On the right, we're going to be playing C, D sharp, F, G sharp. Then these are for our 6. We're going to be playing B at 9th. Okay, a B at 9. So on the left, you are playing D sharp, B, C sharp. On the right, we're playing F sharp, B, C sharp, F sharp. So on the right, these are for our 7 now. On the left, you are playing this is a C sharp at 9th. On the left, you are playing F, C sharp, D sharp. On the right, we are playing G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, G sharp. That is T, Sol, La on the left. On the right, we are playing Re, Sol, La, Re. Then we come to our 1, and our 1 we're going to play F sharp sus 2. This is an F sharp sus 2. Alright, so on the left, you are playing F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. On the right, we are playing G sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Then 1 will come here, then we'll not do. Did that. So it's gonna be F sharp, F, F sharp. Then it's gonna be G sharp. But when I'm playing this, the next stuff is gonna be that is G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp like this. So when I'm playing this, I'm going to hit the G sharp, and on the left, what you are playing actually is B, F sharp, D. Alright, so it's going to be, I'm going to hit the G sharp and the B together. So G sharp and B. Then I'm going to be G sharp and B, right? Then we'll play A. Now when we are going to our C sharp, we'll hit our F. Then when we are going to our D sharp, we'll now hit the whole chord together. Alright, an E minor flat 7 chord, right? E flat minor flat 7 chord, sorry. E flat 11, sorry. E flat minor 11. E flat minor, then 11. So that's the chord I'm going to follow. I've already explained this. On the left, you're holding your D sharp. On the right, you're holding your G sharp, C sharp, and your F sharp. So at 9, so your 1. So let me play it once. Going to be all for today's class. I just want to plead with us that we all try and subscribe to the channel, and like this video, share the video with people and tell them about the channel, and God bless you all real good. I pray this one you are learning today will help you improve and sound rich than you do now. I know you sound rich already. Yes, God bless you. Thank you.